Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So this reading is for all the Scorpions and it's going to be for Sun Moon Rising. We are looking at your December. Okay, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. We will be looking at the theme challenge, one blessing, and what are your spirit guides wanting you to know. So let's begin with the reading. Scorpions. Theme challenge, blessing, and okay, I think it's going to turn out a good one. Wow. Oh my god, look at the blessing. You have true love. My god. It's going to be a super amazing month for you guys. Super amazing month. Okay. Okay, so let's begin. So for the theme here we have peace. Okay, so definitely peace is there, but I also see the energy of twin flames, soulmate, two lovers meeting each other, a fated meeting happening, or some aha moments happening related to your love life. So this peace is more about your love life and not anything else. Okay, you will be finding peace in your love life, you will be finding peace in relationship, you will be finding peace in romance. Okay, or probably you are meeting someone who is going to add a lot of peace into your life. This person is bringing a very different kind of energy into your life, very lovey energy into your life, very princess like, angelic like energy into your life. So when you will be with this person, your life won't be difficult anymore. Okay, for you, climbing the mountain wouldn't feel like a task when you'll be with this person. Okay, let's clarify peace. Empress. Oh my god, I told you guys, I told you. So there's definitely someone entering into your life now. For some, this can be your energy, so some emperor kind of energy is entering into your life, and if you are a male, then definitely this empress is entering into your life, and if you're a female, then definitely you will be the empress in someone else's life. Okay, so that empress energy is there, and like I said, that someone is going to enter into your life. So this person is like an angel, a big blessing. Okay, or you can say, this person is going to be the result of your good karma that is going to happen. And I don't know why, but I do feel that some of you are struggling with finances. Okay, some of you are struggling with finances, or some kind of victim mentality is also there. Probably you feel that whether you deserve this or not. And I also see a bit of ego issues, because December is also going to be the time where you will have to break down your ego completely. Your ego will be crushed completely. Okay, because this person, though, when if I talk about this person is going to be someone who is really going to guide you, okay, in your journey, and whatever this person says, it's going to turn out to be true. So yes, for that matter, you will have to put your ego down. Okay, you will have to be in that receptive form where you can listen to this person, where you can accept this person, because you are definitely inviting this god or goddess energy into your life. And once this person enters your life, everything is going to change, tables are going to turn completely. So there's some partner who is walking in your life, and when they walk in your life is going to be changed. Okay, you won't be the same person anymore. okay? You are going to improve, you are going to work harder, you are going to become a better version of yourself, you will be more happier, you will be more confident, because this is the energy of this person. Whenever a person like this enters into anyone's life, their life will be completely, you know, um it will just, they will just lighten up their everyone's life, okay, including yours. So this is the charm of this person, this is the aura of this person, okay? Coming to the challenge now, the challenge is, do I really deserve this kind of happiness? Do I really deserve this kind of person? Am I confident enough to take care of this person? Will I be able to take responsibility of this person? Will I be able to give everything to this person? You know that this person deserves the best, but the question again comes with the victim mentality. Will I be able to give everything to her or him? Okay, let's clarify this. King of Wands, the Moon, the Lovers, and Queen of Pentacles. Firstly, I also feel that you may feel that the person that you are dealing with is completely different, and you are completely different. Okay. Secondly, I also feel that you are going to fall in love with this person. You will be extremely emotional about this person. Okay, and you also have this fear that once you confess your love to this person, you are just going to drown yourself in emotions, you're going to drown yourself in love, you would literally fall in love, and that is something that you are fearing. Okay, so I don't think the real doubt is about deserving or not, whether you're deserving or not. I don't think the real doubt is about self-confidence. I think the real doubt is about what will happen if the person goes, because you know that you are dealing with the love of your life, you know that you're dealing with your soulmate, you know that you're dealing with your divine counterpart. Yes, they may be different from you, the way they see their life. This person is very sorted, this person is very grounded, very centered in their energy, and you might be a bit different from them. Okay, so you may feel or you may have this fear of losing this person. Okay, extreme attachment issues. I think you are someone that if you invest yourself emotionally into someone, you will become very emotional, you will become very sensitive. Okay, and that is something that you are scared of. So that is going to be the challenge, that whether love is going to win or your fears are going to win. That is the only challenge for the month of December. Is it love or is it fear? What do you choose? Okay, now coming to your blessing. So we have true love. Okay, and here this true love is not just about the other person, because when this person comes into your life, this person is also going to teach you how to love yourself. I don't think that you love yourself enough. Okay, I don't think that you have been on a journey where you can say that yes, I truly love myself. For some, that can be there, but you still have to do a lot of work when it comes to self love, and this is what this person is going to teach you. So there are two kind of pathways or journeys. One is that we learn self love with experiences, by being in aloneness, by being with ourselves and stuff. And second is that someone enters your life and this person shows you the mirror, that this is who you are, this is what you deserve, and this is your beauty, this is how handsome and beautiful you are, this is how hardworking you are. So this person is really going to show you your qualities. Okay, this person is going to be your biggest blessing. Okay, let's clarify this. Emperor, the Star, they are going to treat you like an emperor or an empress. If you are a female, they will treat you like an empress. If you are a male watching this, they will treat you like an emperor. Okay, this person is going to be your wish come true. This is, I think this would be the last thing that you would not, I mean, it's like this would be the first and the last thing that you would ever need in your life. This kind of energy is what I can sense here. Okay, a lot of healing is happening. It's like when this person comes, literally like true soulmate energy, where there's, though I do see that you do have certain ego issues. Okay, and when you have ego issues, this person is going to have certain self-respect issues, so that can be one trigger. But other than that, I don't know what to say. I'm short of words. Literally some god or goddess energy is entering into your life here, literally. Okay, let's clarify the card happiness. So from your spirit guides, we have the message of happiness. So I definitely feel that those bad days are over. You are starting your life again. And here also I see the energy of two. So we have two dolphins here, right? So you will be at the same vibration with the person. Okay, you both are going to vibrate at the same frequency, where there's going to be love for each other. There's going to be mutual respect, mutual happiness, fun, joy, positive days, all of that. Let's clarify. The Sun, Eight of Wands, and Page of Wands, and the World. Definitely this person completes your life. Okay, whomsoever is coming. And here we have the Sun as well, and here we have happiness. So it's a major confirmation that your happy days are starting. December is going to be the happiest month for you. You will feel really blessed. And I also see that you will be doing a lot of creative things with this person. Probably you will be going on a lot of dates together. You will be doing a lot of fun activities together. This is going to be an experience that you have never ever experienced in your life with anyone, no matter how much you loved someone. Okay, not at all. Okay, so you will be talking a lot. There's going to be passion, there's going to be spark. And here when I say passion and spark, I'm not talking about that normal rendezvous and that fling energy where you just date each other and this and that, wo sab cheeze. Okay, there's something like genuine happy energy. Okay, two people who can adult each other and can also be child with each other. Okay, so I see two children adulting together. Okay, that kind of energy, very soulmate vibe. Now I Today is the day when I can actually understand, okay, this is what soulmate energy really means. Okay, and very happy reading, very amazing reading. I am very happy to do this reading. So I think that is it. I hope it helps. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.